Easy pass to just number 18, following shot is good. Security rebound para kay Tuas. Pass to just number 11. Pass to just number 29, corner. Pass to just number 29 for 3. In and out, just number 27 for the football is good. Jersey number 12 on the right, intercepted jersey number 11. Lays it up, lays it good. On the board, the rebound. Jersey number 39. Jersey number 71. Behind the back ball. Jersey number 4, San Pedro. 3-second shot lock, pass to the Vega. To Penny. Jersey number 71. Perimeter jumper is good for 2. Jersey number 11, Fernando. Jersey number 0 has the goal. It was against jersey number 4. Turnover. It's a line violation. Para jersey number 0, the clocks. Score 53-41. A 12-point lead para sa Margarita Bay. Looking for the screen, number 80, pass to jersey number 8. Pull up jumper is good. Corner pass to jersey number 71, takes the jumper. Airball that, 10-second shot up. Follow away shot. Airball pa rin para jersey number 18, ako jersey number 29. A 6-second goal. Attack the winner, puts it up. Yes, good, but there's a whistle. Bob will be jersey number 8. That is third foul, first steal foul. Two free throws for jersey number 29, Lopez. First shot is good. Second last one for jersey number 29, jumpers ready. Second shot is good. Rebound jersey number 6. Pick-up pass to jersey number 11, 10-second shot, number 11. Lays it up. Lays it good for Chantal para jersey number 11. Jersey number 6 for the football is good. 8 minutes exactly to play. Jersey number 8 against jersey number 0. Pass to Penny. Easy pass to jersey number 7. To jersey number 8. Magandang pass sana. Pero hindi na kompleto ang play na yun. Mamaragay Makina, jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 0, it was on the run. Almost intercepted, jersey number 11, wide open for 3, it's good. Fernando to jersey number 6, for the putback, back-to-back 2 points, pass to jersey number 6, it was. Out that pass to San Pedro, once and out, using the glass, it's good for 2. Jersey number 59, Lopez, left, the shot is good. Secure the rebound para jersey number 2. Intercepted jersey number 6, it was. Pass to jersey number 11. Ready for his teammates set in the play. 15-second shot clock. To jersey number 11, 12-second shot clock.